Welcome back to Primetime Sports Wednesday. The Stewart Mobay City Run will mark its 10th anniversary by offering more money to schools in the region. There will also be a new route for this year's event, which is set for May 3. Following the damage done to the western part of the island by the passage of Hurricane Melissa, the Stewart Mobay City Run was expected to face a route challenge. The route is yet to be finalized, but at least a change to the start of the run and walk event has been decided on. This will also fall in line with the celebrations for two significant milestones.
We are planning to start in the center of the city, which would be the historic Sam Sharp Square, and move through the city and end the race at Harmony Beach Park. Now, this is our intention, owing to the fact it is our 10th anniversary. It's a milestone event for us, and it is also the 45th anniversary of our city getting its city status. So to combine the two, what better way to celebrate such a milestone than to do the run in the city?
Because it's the 10th anniversary of the city run, the organizers will give a total of $10 million to 10 schools.
We will also be giving $1 million towards the welfare fund for journalists, another $1 million towards Champions of the West, and the $10 million to the schools and the $5 million to the high schools would be the 5 high schools that we have adopted this year. They are Herbert Morrison High School, Cambridge High, Belmont Academy, Magotty, and Rossies High School. And what we have really done, we've tried to find a school that has been badly damaged, but is still in Western Jamaica.
7,000 participants took part last year, and the organizers are expecting that number to be doubled this time around. They are expecting an addition of 2,000 participants. The event, which attracts $6 million in sponsorship from Sandals, will end with a beach party at Harmony Beach Park.